Good evening, everyone. Welcome back for a new video. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a straight pour, and I'm using colors of the rainbow or variations of colors of the rainbow. I wanted to make something that was bright and vibrant. Had a lot of interest from people who saw one of my other paintings that I sold. I'll show it to you now. So I wanted to kind of create something with rainbow colors, maybe something similar to the design, just to see how well it comes out. So I'll get you down on that canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size, talk about the colors. I will be right back. All right, so as I said, I'm going to be repouring over a canvas. I've been experimenting with paint thicknesses and how to water them down, trying to get bolder cells, and this is something I was playing with metallics, and it created a lot of bolder cells, but something happened. I think I used too much silver on it. So in any case, what I did is I sanded down any rough areas that may have had like some air bubbles, stuff like that. So we're going to repurpose this. Hopefully this will come out okay. Real quick, I'll tell you the colors I'm using. I'm using Amsterdam in the Phthalo blue, Arteza in the Phthalo green, Winsor & Newton primary magenta, Liquitex in the cadmium red hue, Amsterdam titanium white mixed with a little bit of the pearl white mixed with a little bit of Deco Art satin enamels in the white. Amsterdam, and this one is nickel titan yellow, which I've not used before, and Amsterdam in the azo orange. I love that color. And so my base color is going to be Creative Inspirations in the Payne's Gray. Since we have a dark color here, I figured that's what I would use. My pouring medium today is Liquitex Gloss Medium, Floetrol, and some water. So what I want to do first and foremost, we are going to layer the cup, and then we will flood the canvas. We have a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, so we are going to need about 14 ounces of paint. We got a 16-ounce cup. So I think what we'll do is just fill this bad boy up. I am going to start off with a little white. We'll go with some, I'm going to use a lot of layers. Bit of green. Blue. White. Violet. Red. White. Orange. Yellow. And we're just going to keep layering this cup like this until we get it all the way up to the top. All right, we got a full cup here. All right, let's get the base coat down. Okay, let's start pouring. We're gonna pour right here in the center. We'll do a straight pour. All right. I'm gonna thin down my base coat, what's left of my Prussian blue, and pour that around the pour so it's definitely got enough paint to slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start tilting this out, and what I'm going to do is kind of open it up in all different directions before I anchor it over a corner. I'm going to do my best to keep you guys in the frame so you can see it all. Don't like this down here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. So I'm gonna clean up the edges. I will torch and then bring you guys in. Okay, here we go. Starting here in the top left. Here we go with the dried result. This really came out cool. I love the fingerlings. It's almost like crashing waves down there at the bottom. But then I also kind of see like an angry rooster with its head over on the right hand side. I don't know. I guess you could see all kinds of stuff if you choose to. So let me bring you in here for a close-up. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. That's the piece. It came out really beautiful. I think I might stick some varnish on it. I don't know. It's got a nice sheen to it, so maybe I'll leave it the way it is. I don't know. We shall see. All right, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.